The allure of the tiny climber, my Peperomia Hoffmannii journey. Peperomia Hoffmannii, a name that trips off the tongue with a touch of elegance, wasn't always a resident of my windowsill. But this little charmer has quickly become a favorite. Its delicate, cascading form and cheerful green foliage bring a touch of the tropics indoors, demanding minimal attention in return. What is Peperomia Hoffmannii? The Peperomia Hoffmannii is a petite, trailing plant native to Central and South America. Think rainforests and jungle floors. That's where this little adventurer thrives. Its claim to fame? Clusters of tiny, round, light green leaves nestled on slender stems. These leaves, though small, boast a delightful plumpness, hinting at their succulent nature. As the Peperomia Hoffmannii matures, its trailing tendencies come into play. Imagine a miniature emerald waterfall cascading down the sides of its pot, adding a touch of whimsy to any shelf or table. It's perfect for terrariums, hanging baskets, or even cascading over the edge of a pot on your windowsill. How to care for Peperomia Hoffmannii. One of the biggest draws of the Peperomia Hoffmannii is its easygoing nature. It's a plant that thrives on neglect, well, almost. Here's how to keep your little friend happy. Light. Think dappled sunlight or bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, as this can scorch the delicate leaves. Water. This is where the succulent nature comes in. Water your Peperomia Hoffmannii only when the soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a recipe for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. A mixture formulated for cacti and succulents will work wonders. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity can benefit your Peperomia Hoffmannii. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Does Peperomia Hoffmannii bloom? The answer is yes, but don't expect a show-stopping floral display. Peperomia Hoffmannii produces tiny, inconspicuous flowers on slender spikes. They're more of a botanical curiosity than a visual extravaganza. Propagating your Peperomia Hoffmannii. Sharing the love. The beauty of the Peperomia Hoffmannii is that it's easy to propagate, allowing you to share the plant with friends or create a miniature jungle on your windowsill. Stem cuttings are the way to go. Here's a quick guide. Select a healthy stem with a few leaves. Cut the stem just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves, exposing the stem. Plant the cutting in a pot with well-draining soil. Water lightly, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Place the pot in bright, indirect light. With a little patience, you'll soon see new growth emerge from your cutting. Peperomia Hoffmannii, the perfect partner. While the Peperomia Hoffmannii can hold its own as a solo act, it also plays well with others. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Ferns. Ferns share similar light and humidity requirements, creating a lush, tropical feel. Begonias. Rex begonias, with their vibrant foliage, add a splash of color alongside the Peperomia's green. Air plants. Tillandsias, with their unique air-clinging nature, can be tucked amongst the Peperomia's trailing stems. The final verdict, a tiny plant with big rewards. The Peperomia Hoffmannii is a delightful addition to any plant collection. Its charming looks, easygoing nature, and compact size make it perfect for anyone, from seasoned plant parents to those just starting their indoor jungle journey. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that packs a punch in the cuteness department, look no further than the Peperomia Hoffmannii. You won't regret it.